I wanted to tell you guys about getting stainless steel to make jewelry for yourself. You don't have to, I don't have the exact one that I bought, but I want to show you. You don't have to spend a lot of money. I was showing you guys in some videos these this jewelry, but I wanted to show you. This is a stainless steel chain, and it came with um lobster claws and jump rings so that you can make your own jewelry. And it's great. It doesn't get damaged. You see how I just made this, I made this, and I made some other things, and it's all of this chain. It was a lot more, as you can see, and it's very inexpensive. You don't have to spend a lot of money, and you get all of this. So you can make long necklaces. You can make jewelry for the holidays. Now with Christmas coming up and other holidays, you might want to make gifts. So you can make your own gifts for people, and it's so cheap. So I got this on Amazon. I can't find the exact one, but you can go on there and look and make your own holiday jewelry. And with some ideas, you can look on YouTube for different ideas, and that's what I like to do. So this is what I made. I made this, and I made this. This is out of toilet paper with I put triple thick and nail polish on it. So you can just make your own things. It's free for the toilet paper. If you have nail polish, then you can just reuse it and repurpose it. And this is so inexpensive. Thanks for watching.